third question. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of Gummadi Dala village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Here is the table. Now draw a table. Write the this is the class interval. Expenditure is class interval and number of families is frequency. This is the class interval and here is the frequency. Now find the mid value. Mid value is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Here 1000 plus 1500. 2500 by 2 is 1215. Here 1500 plus 2000 by 2 1750. Like this write all mid values. Here 2250 plus 2750 plus here 6500 by 2 3250. Here 3500 plus 4000 3750. Here 4000 plus 4500 4250. Here 4500 plus 5000 4750. Now we will find di is equal to xi minus a. Here we can assume any mid value as a. Here I assume 1750 is equal to a. Here 1250 minus 750. 1750 is minus 500. Here 1750 minus 1750 is 0. Here 2250 minus 1750 is 500. Here 2750 is minus 1750 is 1000. Here 3250 minus 1750 is 1500. Here 3750 minus 1750 is 2000. Here 4250 minus 1750 is 2500. Here 4750 minus 1750 is 3000. Now find mu I. Mu I is equal to di by h. Here h is nothing but difference between the upper limit and lower limit. Here h is equal to 1500 minus 1000 is 500. Here minus 500 di minus 500 h 500 minus 500 by 500 is minus 1. Here 0 by 500 0. 500 by 500 1. 1000 by 500 2. 1500 by 500 3. Here 2000 by 500 4. Here 2500 by 500 is 5. 3000 by 500 is 6. Now multiply fi mu I. Here fi is frequency mu I. 24 into minus 1 minus 24. 40 into 0 0. 33 into 1 33. 28 into 2 56. 30 into 3 90. 22 into 4 88. 16 into 5 80. 7 into 6 42. Now find sigma fi mu I. If I add these values we get 365. In this question we need to find mode value and mean value. First we will find mode. To find mode we observe highest frequency in the frequency. Here 40 is the highest frequency. This is the f1. So class 1500 minus to 2000 is has highest frequency. So model class is 1500 to 2000. Now here lower limit in the model class is L is equal to 1500. L is equal to 1500. Now F1 is frequency, highest frequency is 40. Now height 500. Here F2 is frequency of the succeeding class to 1500 to 2000 is 33, just below the highest frequency. Here this is F2. Now F0 is preceding frequency of the preceding class to 1500 to 2000, which is 24, just above the highest frequency. Here write f0. Now write here all values. H is equal to 500, lower limit 1500, and f1 40, f0 24, f2 33. Substitute these values in the mode formula. Here L is equal to 1500 plus f1. f1 is 40 minus f2 is 24. Here 2 into f1 40 minus f0 24 minus f2 33 into h, height is 500. Here 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is 16. 2 into 40 is 80 minus 24 33 is 57 into 500. Now 1500 plus 16 by 80 minus 57 is 23 into 500. Here 1500 plus 16 5 ja 80. 80 into 100 800 88,000 by 23. 1500 plus divide 8000 by 23, then we will get 347.82. Now add 1500 plus 347, 1847.82. This is the mode. Now find mean value. Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Here sigma fi mu I is 365, sigma fi is, if we add these frequencies we get 200. Now substitute sigma fi mu I, these values, in the mean form. Here a is equal to 1750 plus sigma fi mu I is 365. Here sigma fi is 200. Here into height is 500. Here two zeros cancel. 1750 365 by 2 is 365 into 5 1825 by 2. 1750 plus, if you divide 1825 by 2, 912.5. Now add 1750 plus 912. This will be 2662.5, which is mean. Therefore, model monthly expenditure is 1847.82. Mean monthly expenditure is 2662.5. Fourth question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary school of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Here is the table. Now number of students is class interval, number of states is frequency. Write in the table number, class interval and frequency. Here is the class intervals and frequency. Now find mid values. Mid value is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 15 plus 20 by 2. 35 by 2. 17.5. 20 plus 25. 45 by 2 is 22.5. Here 25 plus 30. 55 by 2. 27.5. Here 30 plus 35. 65 by 2. 32.5. Here 35 to 40. 75 by 2. 37.5. 40 plus 45. 85. 85 is 42.5. Here 45 plus 50, 47.5. 50 plus 55, 105 by 2, 52.5. Now find di is equal to xi minus a. Here assume any midpoint. Here I assume 32.5 is a. Now di is equal to xi minus a. 17.5 minus 32.5 is minus 15. 22.5 minus 32.5 is minus 10. 27.5 minus 32.5 is minus 5. Here 32.5 minus 32.5 0. 37.5 minus 32.5 is 5. 42.5 minus 32.5 is 10. 47.5 minus 32.5 is 15. 52.5 minus 32.5 is 20. Now find mu I. Mu I is equal to di by h. Here di values are there. Now h is nothing but difference between the upper limit and lower limit. Here height is 2. In all class intervals is 5. H is equal to 5. So minus 15 by 5 is minus 3. Minus 10 by 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 by 5 is minus 1. 0 by 5 is 0. 5 by 5 is 1. 10 by 5 is 2. 15 by 5 is 3. 20 by 5 is 4. Now multiply fi into mu I. Here 3 3 ja minus 9. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. 10 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Here 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8. Now find sigma fi mu I. Now add these values. First add negative values. Minus 9 minus 16 minus 25 minus 25 minus 9 minus 34. Now add positive values. 3 plus 8 11 plus 11. Then we get minus 23. If the bigger value has negative, then our answer also negative. We got my sigma fi mu I is minus 23. Here sigma fi, if we add these frequencies we get 35. Now in this question we need to find mode and median. First we will find mode. For this we have to observe highest frequency. Here highest frequency is 10. So model class is 30 to 35. Here L is equal to 30. L is equal to 30 lower limit. And here F1 highest frequency is F1. Now succeeding class to the model class 30 to 35 is 3, just below the F1. This is F2. Now preceding frequency of the preceding class to model class is 9, just above the F1. This is F0. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now substitute these values in the formula. Here L is 30 plus F1. F1 is 10 minus F0 9. 2 into F1 10 minus F0 9 minus F2 3 into height is 5. 30 plus 10 minus 9 1. 2 10 ja 20 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 into 5. Here 30 plus 5 by 8. 30 plus, if we divide 5 by 8 we will get 0.625. 30 plus 0.625 is 30.625. This is mode. Now we will find mean. In this question we assume A is equal to 32.5, sigma fi mu I is minus 23, sigma fi is 35 and height is 5. Now substitute these values in the mean formula. Here A is 32.5 plus sigma fi mu I is minus 23 by sigma fi is 35 into H 5. Now cancel 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. Here 32.5 plus into minus, minus 23 by 7. Here 32.5 minus, if we divide 23 by 7 we will get 3.28. Now subtract 32.5 minus 3.28, then we will get 29.22. Here interpretation mode is 30.625, that is that more states have teacher student ratio as 1:30. Mean is 29.22, that is that the average teacher student ratio in each state is 1:29.